Live in a desert or live in a rainforest. Be constantly surrounded by wildfires or be constantly threatened by floods. Face extreme heat waves or face extreme blizzards. Encounter venomous snakes daily or encounter aggressive bears daily. Live in an area prone to earthquakes or live in an area prone to hurricanes. Deal with constant drought or deal with constant heavy rainfall. Have a severe pollen allergy or have a severe seafood allergy. Be chased by mountain lions daily or be chased by wolves daily.